fluffy toy.
Pikachu.
Yeah.
The puppet broke.
Hello.
Today we reviewed it.
Puppet Pro.
One
Target.
is a Puppet Pro. It's the light up pattern popping game. How many players is needed?
1. 1 plus.
2. And for what age?
5 plus.
With 3 different games. Pro mode, pop and pass, and popping Liz.
Also, when you get no more battery, you can screw it to get a new battery.
Does it have battery now?
Yeah?
So it came with battery.
Yeah,
Yeah.
came with that.
What thing about Sandy?
Good.
What thing about Mason? Good. Let's open it.
Pop-It Pro Light Up Fidget toy from Target has a lot of great features that kids will love. The colorful lights and fun popping sound are sure to keep kids entertained for hours. However, there are a few downsides to this toy as well. First, the price is a bit high for a fidget toy. Second, the batteries tend to die quickly, so kids will need to replace them often. Overall, the Fidget is a great toy for kids who enjoy playing with lights and sounds. However, parents may want to consider other options if they are looking for a more economical option.
Say hi.
Hi.
Are you guys waiting for Sandy?
Yeah.